Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video I'll be showing you this nice evening purse. I'll be showing you the making from beginning to the end, so please make sure you subscribe to watch and make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So I'm just going to start with the pattern, and for the pattern I'll be making use of for my measurement I'll be making use of inches. So the measurement is 10.5 inches for the length. And also guys, for the letterboard I'm making use of Khembuzz 600S. So for the width I'll be making use of 11.5 inches, and at the top I'll be making use of 9 inches. Still working on the body of my bag, and also at the other edge I'll be making use of 9 inches. So please guys, make sure you follow these measurements and also make your own evening purse just as beautiful as this. So I've already gummed it with foam, so I'm just going to make use of this fabric and glue it together. Guys, this fabric this fabric was gotten from China, so I'm not sure you can get it here in Nigeria. I'm not sure. So I'm just going to apply gum to the tip of this my letterboard and just glue everything together. So guys, the gusset of this bag is quite different from the gusset I've been making for my evening purse. So I would advise that you watch this video from beginning to the end so you can have a better understanding and be able to do it better. So this is the flap aspect. I've done the pattern already, guys. Sorry I didn't show this aspect, like how I derived this. Well, like this job I had to do it as soon as possible and deliver it, so I didn't really have that chance to be showing some other, and this is my first time making this pattern, so I had to be careful. I had to make sure that I got it right and all that, so please sorry for that. So the flap length is 6, and the weight is a breadth. So the weight of this bag right here is 10. The reason I opened my flap, okay, for the opening is 0.5 for the length. So the reason I open it is because I want my flap to fold very well. Like I want to be able to fold it very well. That is why I opened the flap. So guys, please make sure you're able to do it better. And you can see the length of the opening is 7 inches. So with this illustration you should be able to do it better, guys. When I drop a tutorial, it is not for you guys to do it exactly, it's just for you guys to have an idea, like have the knowledge of how you can do. Creativity comes in when you're able to see something and be able to put in more of your own ideas. That is what creativity is called, creativity, like being able to also put in your ideas. But also when you see something, you're able to figure out how you can also put in yours, and for it to come out nice and beautiful like this. So please guys, I would like to see a lot of my subscribers making this bag and sending me a video or a picture of what they have done. So guys, I'm through with the flap folding, so I'm just going to start working on the inner part of my bag. So for the for the interior of my bag, I'm making use of a chipboard, letterboard, and I'm also making use of a shiny face material for the interior of my bag. So the body of the bag lining, which is the interior, I have to take the measurement of the length Don't forget that the body is always, I mean, the main body of the bag measurement is always a little bit different from the interior of the bag. So don't forget the main body is 10.5, so this will be 10.3, and this also, the width is 11.4. Please make sure you go back and watch the first part, the first part I talked about. That's the main body of the bag. Watch it and be able to get it right. So you can see that 1 or 2 inch was removed from the main body of the bag. So yes, reason is because you want your inner board to fit in the main body of the bag, so you have to remove some inches away. So I'm just going to apply gum to everything, wait for it to dry, and glue everything together. Of course, I'm still going to iron my lining. It has to be it has to be very, very neat actually. So this is the corset aspect of my bag. The corset aspect, that is why I said it is quite different from what I have been doing. So I want you to pay attention to this aspect. So the weight of this is 3.2, while the length of this, the breadth is the width, the length is 5 inches. So I'm just going to take the measurement of the place that I cut. So the measurement of this place that I cut now, the width and the length, 1 inch for the width, and for the length is 0.5 for the length. And the place that I opened, the place that I cut, that also is 1 inch. So guys, please, if you have any questions, you can drop your questions under the comment section. And also, if you find this video interesting, please, if you like the video, please kindly give us a beautiful like and a nice comment. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm almost through with the corset measurement, and once I'm through with the measurement, I'm just going to apply gum to the back of it and wait for it to dry a little bit and glue everything together. And after this, I'm going to start using my manual machine to start stitching the corset, the pocket, the interior, and also I'm going to use my industrial machine to stitch the outer body of my bag. Okay, so this is a purse. So for the purse, I make use of 2.5 inches for the length, and for the width, I make use of 5.5 or 5 inches, either 5.5 or 5 inches for my width, for the width of my purse. So now I'm going to apply gum and wrap everything together. Then after this, I'm just going to start stitching my bag. For the inner leather board of my bag, I'm just going to make use of 6 length, and for the width, I'll be making use of 10 inches. So I'm not going to reduce anything basically. So I'm just going to wrap it with my shiny face lining and start stitching everything together. I'm through wrapping everything, so I'm just going to take my manual machine to actually stitch everything together. So the first thing I'm going to stitch is my purse. So I'm going to stitch my inner purse to my inner letterboard of my bag. Just make sure it is well centralized, and then you stitch everything together. So the next thing is to join the flap and the main body together, and then I'm just going to stitch just like this. And after this, I'm going to go straight to my corset, and after my corset, I'm going to go straight to my flatbed industrial machine and start stitching the main body of the bag. So this is the corset aspect. I would like you to pay more attention to this aspect and how I'm going to actually stitch it. Stitch the down part of it actually. So guys, I'm almost through with this bag. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you give us a beautiful like and a nice comment, and also if you've not subscribed, please go and subscribe right now for more updates for undiluted tutorial. And also guys, please, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch handmade bags made by Khembuzz, so you can have a full idea. And also guys, if you want to train, if you want to do online training, please, you can contact me by going through the information on my channel. You'll see my my WhatsApp number there. You can give me a message if you want online training, because a lot of my subscribers come to me and ask, please, do you do online training? Do you? Okay, yes, I do. So if you want online training, please kindly send us a DM. And also if you want to make your bags, you can also DM us for your bag making. We're always there to we're always there for you to actually we're always there to work for you anyways. So this is the body of the bag. So I'm just going to stitch. I'm done stitching, and the next thing I'll be doing right now is to put my magnets to the main body of the bag. And after putting the magnet, I'm going to glue my corset to the inner leatherboard of my bag. Now I'm stitching the corset to the body of my bag. And guys, please make sure you watch out for my next video. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a mind-blowing design. Like, I make new design every time I drop a tutorial. Like, I make a unique design. So please, why don't you subscribe and just hit the notification button to get more updates from me. So I'm through gluing the front flap. The I want to glue this aspect and also glue the main place. And guys, please, once you apply your gum to your bag, please make sure your gum gets dried before you start gluing everything together, because you need a neat and a beautiful job. So you have to be very careful while applying your gum, and you have to make sure that your gum is dried before you start gluing everything together. So guys, this tutorial has come to an end. You can still watch it to the end. And also guys, please, like I said, make sure you are ready for the next video. I hope you guys are ready for the next video. Guys, I'll be dropping my next video soon, so stay glued and stay tuned. And it's going to be a nice design, a design that I've not done before on my YouTube. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for supporting. I love you all.